Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you cannot get added after you have accepted request of public group on Imo HD. So let's get started. Watch the Open Imo HD app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on security and privacy. Then scroll until you find method for adding me. Next tap on it. After that, you can see the option of public group. Turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you cannot accept request of public group on Imo HD. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.